What is going on, everybody? Today we have the new Microtech LUDT in OD green and a Tanto blade. I am excited. I was always wishing that they would do a Tanto in the LUDT line, but he never did. As far as I know, let me know down in the comments if you guys have ever seen one. I have never seen one and was always looking for one because I kind of like out the side automatics. So let's go ahead and take a look at this new beauty. Here is your packaging. Typical. There you go. LUDT Gen III OD green Stonewash. Typical brochures. Oh yeah. Here we go. And I can tell right away that's a nice green. He's done the LUDT in some pretty neon green colors and some crazy colors, but that actually is very sharp. I like that. Yeah, that grip tape there is good. I don't know about the pocket clip side. That could be kind of grippy and maybe make a little bit of a pocket shredder there, but yeah, that's very, very grippy. And we have Torx now instead of the typical Microtech hardware that they have. We have eight T8s and a T25 on the pivot. So very nice. The button's very nice too. Doesn't protrude up. It's kind of sitting down in that little valley. Ooh, nice and snappy. And there is your Tanto blade. Very, very nice. And we have 324, so fresh knife. Love the groove, the fuller going down that. That's new. So very nice. Got a nice razor sharp blade and that nice, fairly thin blade stock there too. It's very nice. I can just tell it's very, going to be very slicey. Fits good in the hand, as you can see there. Got a nice big sharpening choil. It is a 3.5-inch blade with about a 3-inch cutting edge. That choil right there, you could actually, you can pretty much get right in there. That edge is a little gnarly there, and if you're not careful you could cut yourself for sure, but you could choke up on it a little bit and still be a little clear of it. I can get just my front part of my finger in there and not touch the edge, but if I go into the meatier section of my finger, then I'm starting to touch it. But yeah, very nice, very sharp. I like the grip tape. It's by 3M, so good quality. Like I said, might be a little issue getting it in and out of the pocket on this side, so we'll see how that works. Typical Microtech pocket clip. Leaves quite a bit hanging out, but I mean, sometimes that's nice, especially on, a knife that's a little more geared for military and stuff like that. Obviously, Underwater Demolition Team, so yeah, it's geared a little more for guys that want to get out of the pocket, especially if they're wearing gloves. So you really need something to grab onto, because otherwise trying to stick your hand into your pocket can become a little bit of a nightmare to try to get a knife out of your pocket. So you kind of want it hanging out, and I'm sure that's why Microtech did that. Still have a lanyard for those guys that want to use a lanyard. Again, something more to grab onto and pull out of your pocket. I definitely like what he's done there. Very, very cool. Like that backspacer. That's very nice. Kind of covers up everything, keeps anything big out of there, but you still got some room in there where you could use a blowgun and blow your pocket lint and stuff out of there, but it'll keep rocks out of there. Of course, it's all wide open up here, which, will get you some rocks and stuff in that way. But yeah, very, very cool. Very snappy. Nice stiff spring. Yeah, very cool. I'm excited to carry and use this. Like I said, feels great in the hand. Not super beefy or huge, but yeah, definitely in that upper 8-inch overall size, which is definitely where I like to be. So there you guys go. That is the brand new LUDT Generation 3. Have a great day, guys. We'll catch you next time.